When is your birthday? When is your next exam? When are you free today? When are the shops open? When was your first day at work? When was the movie released? When were your parents married? When were you last sick? When have you been most happy? When have you felt proud of yourself? When has your teacher given homework? When has your team won a prize? When did you wake up today? When did you go shopping? When do you go to bed? When do you check your phone? When does the bus arrive? When does your school start? When will you go on vacation? When will the next train depart? When can we meet again? When can I visit your house? When could we have a picnic? When could I borrow your notes? When should I pay the bills? When should we start the project? When must I renew my ID? When must I submit this report? When will the shop be open? When will the tickets be available?